Now, the UP government's bid to check eve-teasing, the anti-Romeo squads have created a stir across the country. While some citizens are happy with the move, others are questioning the free hand given to the police, terming it moral policing. Mirror now tried to find out how the man on the street across the nation is reacting to it. Listen to this.
Eve-teasing and harassment of girls outside institutions such as these will be a thing of past, because the new Yogi Adityanath government has come up with a new idea, that of an anti-Romeo squad to keep at bay all such roadside Romeos and street ruffians who harass girls on a daily basis, who pass lewd comments and who actually go on to do eve-teasing. Well, as far as Lucknow is concerned, there are about 13 police stations, out of which 23 squads have been formed, each manned by a sub-inspector, 2 lady police constables and 2 male constables. Well, the police has also been asked to be vigilant, not just across all such educational institutions, colleges, schools and coaching centers, but also outside malls, markets and all such public places wherein a large number of people converge, and there are chances that ruffians might resort to eve-teasing. So at least for now, the girl students in Lucknow and throughout UP welcoming the move, feeling happy, feeling satisfied that at least the government has now taken a step, a positive step towards ensuring their security and that they are not harassed.
It's a very good step, and it's not only me, हर एक लड़की harassment अपने life में face करती है. So this is a very good step in order to, safeguard their dignity and all. तो हम लोग गवर्नमेंट के साथ है इस स्टेप में, एंड आई होप कि गवर्नमेंट आके भी ऐसे स्टेप्स ले जिससे गर्ल्स को और एम्पावर करे और गर्ल्स को आगे बढ़ाए.
That's not the right thing. उसमें लड़कों का harassment नहीं होगा, वो बस एक तरीके से उनके लिए ये नई सोच होगी that girls are not just a thing that they can tease or anything like that. So I don't think उससे लड़कों का कोई harassment होगा, उनको बस एक सोच मिलेगी, एक नई सोच that girls are also human beings and they're not to be treated like that.
Girls are not safe when they go here or there, but मुझे लगता है कि हाँ बहुत अच्छी चीज़ बनाई गई है कि हाँ लड़कियाँ सेफ रहेंगी.
आपको लगता है लोग कहते हैं कि लड़कों पे हैरेसमेंट होगा, पुलिस वाले अगर बाहर खड़े रहेंगे तो परेशान करेंगे लड़कों को कि कहाँ जा रहे हो, क्यों खड़े हो, तो वो सही है या ये बात सही है कि भाई हैरेसमेंट होता है और पुलिस
हैरेसमेंट होता है? मे बी इट इज़ पॉसिबल कि हाँ कि सारे लड़के एक से नहीं होते, लेकिन हाँ मैक्सिमम उनमें से होते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे लगता है कि बिल्कुल सही बनाया गया है कि कुछ लोग रुकेंगे तभी सब रुक पाएंगे.
हाँ सर, स्टेप अच्छा है, बस ये है कि वे ऑफ प्रोसीडिंग्स अच्छी हो. करने में और बोलने में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. हर जगह एकदम से, जैसे नेशनल में भी बाहर 2-3 बार ही ऐसा हुआ है कि पकड़ लिए गए हैं लोग, पर ये एक्चुअल में प्रूव नहीं हुआ है कि, जैसे मैंने न्यूज़ में भी देखा, ये गर्ल्स कॉलेज है, बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स दोनों का कॉलेज है. बाहर मान लीजिए कोई, तो एक पहले पर्टिकुलरली पता करना चाहिए. किसी भी कोई और नॉर्मली बंदा किसी का भाई बाहर लेने आ रहा है एंड एकदम से उसके ऊपर डाल दिया जाए नहीं आप तो लड़कियां ताड़, ये भी स्टेप तो गलत है ना. अब दोनों वैसे एक बैलेंस तरीके से लेना चाहिए, यानी कि टोटली आप यही देख रहे हो कि अब लड़का कोई बाहर भी खड़ा है तो भी उसको उठा के अंदर डाल दें, या कोई वो बदतमीज इंसान भी खड़ा है तो भी उसको नहीं दे. तो वो दोनों तरीके से बैलेंस होना चाहिए, बस इतना मेरा मतलब है.
So that's what students in Lucknow, in Uttar Pradesh, where the anti-Romeo squads have been put into place, have to say about the matter. Let's now listen to what students across the country think about this anti-Romeo drive. Here we have some students from National Capital New Delhi and Hyderabad as well, down south.
यूपी में तो बहुत अच्छा किया है, because वहाँ पे तो सुनने को भी आता है काफी, but in Delhi we don't think so. There is a need, of course, because Delhi is always unsafe for the women. Of course, we all know. So yeah, there is safety measures to be taken in Delhi. Being in Delhi, I don't feel safe after 7 or 8 in the night. So yeah, few safety measures should be taken.
All that they're trying to say is that as long as they are achieving the target of reducing harassment or reducing abuse of women, it is a good thing. But if it goes on to become a thing, invasion of privacy, then it is not something that they would really welcome, and they wouldn't want it in Hyderabad if it's like this. But as long as it achieves what it is actually meant for, then they are up for it.
My thinking is different, because It's partially true, like it's partially correct, but they should be they should change some points in between. Like if you just directly bring it to the family without counseling them, without knowing what exactly they're doing over there, or like every person on the road, or every couple, yeah.
I totally agree with this point. Set up here also in Hyderabad, there is a anti-Romeo squad, and I totally agree with it. And they should set up. It's better for us. And I think in public place, this is not the correct way. They just mingle here, and it also reduces the harassment of women.